How to regain strength after pregnancy. Bringing a new life into the world is a beautiful experience. But let's be honest, pregnancy and childbirth can leave you feeling drained, weak, and overwhelmed. In today's video, we're talking about how to regain your strength after pregnancy, physically, mentally, and emotionally. If you're a new mom or know someone who is, stick around for some science-backed and practical tips. Give your body time to heal. Rest is not laziness, it's recovery. Doctors recommend waiting at least 6 weeks or longer after a C-section before starting intense exercise. Respect your body's healing process. It just went through something extraordinary. Nourish with the right foods. Eat nutrient-rich meals, lean protein, chicken, eggs, lentils, whole grains, fruits, and leafy greens. Calcium and vitamin D. For bones, iron to fight fatigue, and omega-3 for mood balance. Stay hydrated, especially if you're breastfeeding, since dehydration can increase fatigue. Gentle movement and postpartum exercise. Start small, walking, pelvic floor, Kegel exercises, or postpartum yoga. Gradually build up to strength training and cardio when cleared by your doctor. Benefits: boosts circulation, improves mood, rebuilds stamina, and helps with postpartum weight management. Listen to your mental health. Postpartum emotions are real. Hormonal changes, sleep deprivation, and stress can affect your mood. Talk openly about how you feel. Seek support from loved ones or a doctor if you notice prolonged sadness or anxiety, signs of postpartum depression. Stay connected and supported. Join postpartum fitness or mom support groups. Share experiences, learn tips, and build a community. You're not alone. Emotional strength often comes from connection. Be patient with yourself. Regaining strength is a journey, not a race. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, your first walk, your first night of better sleep, or simply feeling more like yourself again. Motherhood is a marathon, not a sprint. With proper care, rest, and the right mindset, you can rebuild your strength and thrive in this new chapter. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other moms, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.